Oh, no. Did you see that, right? I know. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be proud. Everybody wants him to train this.
What? We talking about? Got a whole resort, boy. Stop playing, boy.
Directly from Maine, I like to watch bull fights in sunny old Spain. I'm gonna start living.
Shit. Beat on it. Beat on it. Shh. I'm looking at all this here from my window, y'all. Y'all playing. Look at this here, man. Shh. Stop playing. That's the sphere. That's the world of Vegas. Stop playing about to take sand, man. You gotta get it tapered. Darius, you gotta get that coat tapered, bro. God, dog, that sphere is big, boy. We on that sphere, boy. We on that sphere, boy. That's that lava. Welcome to Vegas, nigga. That boy fire. I don't know what this is. We have water in the desert. You know what I'm saying? We have water, guys. Look at this. You know what I mean? Look at all this behind you right here, man. Fire. Yeah, them boats down there. We got water in the middle of the desert. Them boats. Yeah. That's fire. Guys, we got to hike all the way up there. Take that winding road. Yeah. Resting point.
Good idea.
Yeah, thank you. Running through. I don't know what this is about. But we're coming all the way around. Sheesh. We got a lot more to go. What the hell is that?
Salad.
All right, guys, this is it. That's the alley. This is, I don't know what that is. It's magnesium. And this is the dam. This is what we've been waiting for. Wow, look at this. Holy. It kind of remind me of there it is down there, guys. Yeah, we walking this bridge, y'all. That's the Great Bridge. That piece, yeah. Tell you a little bit something. But yeah, there you go. We're gonna take the bus ride over there, so we're gonna get another viewing of that. All right. But that's kind of fire. That's fire. We're gonna get a closer viewing. I'm waiting, trying to get in the center. If I can get in the center of what's going on. Yeah, but that's all down there though. It looks kind of got a vertical or something. You know what I'm saying? When you look directly down there, it's crazy, guys. Just trying to stay focused. But yeah, that's fire. That is fire. Let me get a close up real quick. Man. Yeah, that's it right there. I think this is good for enough. I'm gonna get a close one. Welcome. Time to go. Yes, guys. This is the trail right here. Woo, yeah, take us a picture. That's the cafe right there. And as you can see, man, down below, all that layers of rock. Look at this, man. Actually, you can die. You can die, really. I'm serious. Look, I almost slipped. You know what I'm saying? You got to be very careful. Woo! All right, well, let me get this viewing real quick. I'm gonna have you take mine from down there too. For sure. That's the peak. Still beautiful. That's how it looks over the edge. Real beautiful. Got that edge all the way around. Beautiful. Got rocks behind them. They got a rim right over there. Let me walk over there and get that real quick. You have to watch your footing, folks. Look at that ground. Look at all that. You'll twist your ankle. We got to watch out for the Grand Canyon snakes. You know what I'm saying? They probably have it. All right. Woo. That's fire. I'm careful. Got to be careful. That's the best. That's woo. That's the best. Deep. Real nice. We just came from that point. Oh, okay, that's the water. That's the river. Oh, and I see it from here. That's the river there, guys. See that little muddy river down there? River. Trying to bring it in for y'all, but way down there. Whew. That's fire. Goes to the top. Yeah, I say keep out, but you see that crack in the ground, guys? That leads to your death. That plummets to your death. And that wind is pretty gusty, bro. Look, it goes all the way. And now check it out, guys. That's the skywalk. Let's zoom in on it. Folks on the skywalk. That's kind of fire. That's kind of fire, y'all. This stuff goes, I can't cross over this line, but that stuff goes all the way down to the Pico Tommy. And I'm gonna view it all the way across, guys. It's crazy. This is more, see all those layers? Man, and it goes further and further back. I mean, it just goes further and further back and higher up. Look at that. That is awesome. That is amazing. Just strolling through the desert. That's their little huts. What's this over here? We got a teepee. That beautiful backdrop. Beautiful. In the desert, guys. Waiting to get picked up. It's that TP though. Let's go get it. Yeah, man. About to get ready to go on this TP. Yeah. Let me back up, man. Okay. Hey, look here, man. This is what we do. We smoke weed up in here. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. That's what we get high.